Hey, how's it going, YouTube? John from Branson, Cerakote. Gonna do a quick video today on the difference between male and female stencils. And honestly, it comes down to verbiage, kind of in the industry, I guess. We get a lot of contact from customers on our website and on eBay, Amazon, the Etsy, the different places that we sell, that talk about decals or positives and negatives as far as describing stencils. And honestly, we get what they're talking about. A lot of times it'll take a while to figure it out, but just to kind of help our customers, I guess, and you know, the people that watch these videos in general, we'll talk about the difference between a male and a female stencil and kind of describe what that means, since that's, I guess, the way we describe them and most of the other websites do. What I have is an example of one of our stencils here that we use here in the shop. This is part of our Gravedigger package, and try to get the light right on this. The stencil on this side is a female stencil, and the stencil on this side is a male stencil. It's basically what it means to have a female stencil is you'll get this with a box around it, and the stencil material is pulled out of that box. So you'll lay this on your surface, your firearm, whatever you're doing, mask off around it, and spray your coating only into that image that is cut out of the vinyl. So the only area that you'll actually get in that color that you're spraying is inside that image, and then once it's cured or tacked off, whatever coating that you're using, you then peel that off, and that's the image that you get, whatever was inside of that vinyl box. A male stencil is just the opposite. So, you know, like in Cerakote, what you'll end up doing is you'll spray your base coat, and then you'll lay your stencils on, and then spray a coat over top of that. The coat that you spray over top of it is going to be your primary coat, what your main color of your firearm is going to be. And then when you peel these stencils off, they masked off what your first coat was, and that's going to give you your camouflage pattern or your stencil pattern, whatever you have. But the male stencil is only going to show you what it was underneath it with that primary color. So hopefully that made sense. Depending on what stencil you get, whether it be a male or a female, depending on the design of it and how hard it would be to lay by hand, they may or may not come with transfer tape. And we're going to do another video actually right after this one on transfer tape and a couple little hacks for that type of thing. So it'll explain a little bit more about that to go along with the video that we did, our first video on transfer tape. So that's really about it. I just wanted to kind of, like I said, talk about the difference in verbiage to make the communication a little bit better, I guess, when you know, people are trying to get stencils from us, so that we understand what they want as far as, you know, the type of stencil. Appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Comments are what are leading us to a lot of these videos we're doing now. And it helps me a lot. I don't ever want to get to a point where I just run out of ideas of things to do. So we've still got quite a few things that we would like to do in the shop, the things that we'd like to show people, but the majority of the videos we've been doing lately are ideas that we've gotten from comments and from emails and people have contacted us. So please keep those coming, and we'll get those videos done for you. Don't forget to go to our shop at bransonscerakote.com for all your stencil needs. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.